Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the piece down and getting hard-to-see edges into clear light. This prevents shifting that will round the head more. Apply penetrating oil and wait 5 to 10 minutes so the lubricant reaches the threads. Then give the head a sharp tap with a hammer to break corrosion. Use a driver tip that fits snugly, or press a rubber band between driver and head for traction. Once done, maintain firm downward pressure as you turn slowly to avoid further stripping. Now move into heavier tools. If the head still holds, use an impact driver to deliver short bursts of torque while you keep steady pressure. This often rotates a stuck screw without stripping. If the head is damaged, drill a small pilot hole and insert a screw extractor, or use a left-handed drill bit. The physics of reverse cutting can back the screw out. Make sure to start with a tiny drill and increase size gradually to avoid enlarging the hole more than necessary. Finish by cleaning out debris and inspecting the threads. If it's metal, chase the threads with a matching tap, and if it's wood, consider using wood filler or a larger screw for a solid hold. Replace with the correct size and preferably a corrosion-resistant fastener. If the extractor failed, apply heat to expand surrounding material, then try again or stop and get a specialty extractor. Forcing it risks damaging the part. One key troubleshooting tip: when extraction stalls, reassess rather than escalate force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.